I've partnered with Aunt Jackie's to bring you a style with their new Grapeseed collection. And this collection is formulated with grapeseed oil, which is known for its healthy hair benefits, including long-lasting moisture, conditioning, antioxidants that reduce hair loss and intense shine. Each product is free of sulfates, petroleum, mineral oils, parabens, and drying alcohols. So first, I try to finger detangle my hair and stretch it out before applying the setting mousse to style my hair. And then I went back in to make sure it was thoroughly detangled before setting it on the Flexi rods. And I like using one Flexi rod for 2 sections because it cuts down on the time it takes to roll my hair and just makes the drying process a lot easier and less bulky. Another thing I like about the setting mousse is that it dries a lot quicker than regular styling products if you add a bonnet or a hooded heated bonnet, which is what I did to dry my hair after styling. So I continued this process on my entire head and had a total of 16 Flexi rods. So 32 sections in total. And this was actually just styled on a wash and go that I let dry overnight so that I could cut down on the drying time and not have to start with wet hair. So I sat under a heated bonnet for a couple hours, and then I sprayed my hair with the sheen spray just to make sure that I would minimize frizz when taking down the style. And it's very non-greasy and lightweight, which I like, especially for an oil. Next up, I have to separate and fluff. My hair felt super soft. Even after having to sit under the heat for that long. And the last step is to fluff and create more volume, which you guys know that I love, and this is my finished results. Let me know how much you guys like this style, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.